Yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. I hope you guys are fine. So, here, as I promised you, this is the book. Sorry for that text, but this is the book. This book is very, very important. You guys have to get the book. I'm telling you, you have to get this book. There's a reason behind the book. So, I'm just going to demonstrate the UK49, how I win UK49. Okay, so with me, I don't show my strategy on YouTube. My strategies are on the book. If I share strategies, just something maybe like from the book, then I decide like let me just give these guys this. But we're working on lunchtime draw and tea time draw. You must understand, guys, with this strategy that it works simultaneously on lunch and tea. So if some of these numbers don't drop on lunch, then they're dropping on tea. I hope and I guess we are on the right track with you guys. Yeah, so I saw comments there of you guys like saying they don't know how to get to the group or get the book. It's easy, guys, for the new subscribers. I know there are some people I knew was just subscribed now. They don't know how to get to the group. So with me, I sent a link in this video. You will see, or you can go to my previous videos. You will see there is always a link in the first comment for joining or for purchasing the book. And the book, if you want the hard copy, you can print it out. If you want the PDF, which you can use on the computer or on the whatever device you're using, you can always do it. And another thing, we also have a website. Me and Coach Boomer can also purchase the book there, or you can just test us on WhatsApp. So it's between the two. And then, so with these codes, they are for today. These codes are going to give us money today. Do you see that? I've done my calculations, then I came up with these codes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the first code. I'm going to start with the bottom code, which is remember, guys, this thing of splitting and spinning is always a problem to most people here in the group. Okay, so look at this code. It's 0225. This code you can not spin, either going to split or add or subtract. So this is what we're going to do. You can get a 25 there, then you can say 2 plus 25, you get a 27. 2 minus 25 is a 23, and then there's a 2 there, there's a 20 as well. Do you see that? So that is a 5 number. You can always play it like that if you trust your numbers, or if you have compared maybe with other codes or with other strategies that you use, then you can play it as a 5 number. Okay, because my aim is always high and my vision is big, so I cannot just play 2 numbers. No, I need money. Okay, so this one you can spin, which is going to be 0, 21, 7. So with this code, because 21 came last night, like this is 21 came last night, so this is what you do to a number that is played. You add 1 or subtract 1. If you add, you're going to get 22. If you subtract, you're going to get a 20. Do you see that? And then it's clear now that if a 21 doesn't drop, they'll drop a 12 or a 27 or a 27. If maybe someone like Christy likes splitting, and this other lady, Helen, they split, because now we have a clear 27 there. We have a clear 12, and then because 21 dropped, you can say 22, 20, or either way, repeat that 21. Okay, and the 20 is also visible there, and the 2. So the codes are clear. And then we go to code 0336. This one you can spin and say 339, then there's a 0. So the 33 is there, 36 is there, 39 is there. So now that a 36 dropped last night, you add 1 or subtract 1, you're going to get a 35 and a 37. And if you get a number like this, you put them on the bonuses because it played inside yesterday. So now put those numbers on the bonuses. I'm just teaching you something that can help you in terms of pairing, and I'm showing you actually the content of the book, how important it is to have the book, because I need everyone to understand gambling. I don't want you guys to always lose. Gambling is not just a game, it's mathematics. That's why they are numbers. And then so it's part of the game. Okay, and then I'm going to the last code, which is 1 4 8 5. This one you can spin. You can spin this code. You can spin so if it's like this, you see it's a 41 85. So it means you can carry 14 there. So a 14 can carry 48, can carry an 18, can carry an 8, a 15 again there is there, and then a 45. So I don't know if a 45 came last night. Let me see. Okay, a 45 didn't drop from those results. And then when you're done, another secret that you must always do, it's also very important, spin these numbers, because now we're going to do lunch time. So let me show you this secret. You spin them. I'm going to show you what I mean about that. I'm going to say, you see 21, spin 21, it's a 12. Spin 38. 38 does not spin. Instead, it's going to just be a 38. Or what they normally do, if they see that maybe people spotted 38, they will say 3 plus 8 to give them an 11, or 3 minus 8 give them a 5. It's mathematics, guys. Then the 42, when it spins, is a 24, and then the 26, when it spins, is a 29. So now this character between these two, 24 and 42, they must drop. Either if it's Christy, she's going to say 24, because now they dropped together in the same row, meaning that one of them must repeat, or they will spin or split. And then a 6 is a 9. This is just to guide you on the numbers that can repeat. You see, they can repeat 21 and 42, but in form of a split or a spin. You understand, guys? It's just mathematics. And then what else did I forget there? Just want to see what else I forgot, but I think everything is fine. So yeah, guys, subscribe and please purchase the books. The book is out. It's for you guys. I did it specifically for you guys. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day.